just going to take a minute to talk about betrayal trauma and how it's such a devastating experience. You know, here you've trusted somebody for quite a while and you're either disclosed of information or you come across information that's shocking and it's against not only your own values, and you thought also against your spouse's values. It's like having that rug pulled out from under you, and it's just unbelievable, and you wonder, how did that happen, or what could I have done differently? And then you really want to tell people, and it's like, oh, who do I tell? I mean, this is so horrible. So either you don't and you just isolate, or you tell people and they say all the wrong things because they just don't understand. Like, oh, maybe you did something to make them mad, or, you know, you really are difficult sometimes. Like, then it becomes our fault and our problem, which isn't the case. And then knowing that we have to take the responsibility to heal and recover from the negative effects caused by somebody else that they did. And there is hope. And it is so helpful when you have right tools to help you to be able to heal and recover and feel good again.